Hello, and welcome to SugarCRM Sales Demo Training. My name is Jamie Lewis, and today I will be showing how to demo SugarCRM's Marketing Campaign module. I will begin by confirming the business problem, then match a Sugar solution to that problem, and finally make sure that any potential technical hurdles have been cleared. So let us begin. Hello, Mr. Customer. Let me start by reiterating some of the business problems you are currently trying to solve with SugarCRM. First, you'd like to create market segments from your customer data. Second, you'd like to save history to customer records. And third, you'd like to determine the ROI of different marketing campaigns. Are these still the business problems that you are facing? Great, well, I'm going to show you how to solve those today. Some other business problems that some of our customers are currently experiencing as well include keeping track of user responses, reusing campaigns and saving templates, creating test campaigns, and creating other types of campaigns such as newsletters, direct mail, and advertising. Does any of this ring true for your organization? Well, if it does, we can show you how to solve those problems in Sugar as well. So now you see that I've logged into SugarCRM, and I'm sure you'll notice the new look and feel that we have integrated into our solution. First, you'll notice the shortcut bar across the top. This bar includes shortcuts to all of the most common activities that your employees will perform in SugarCRM, such as logging a call. For example, if a sales rep is currently in SugarCRM doing something, updating an account, creating a contact, etc., and they get a phone call, all they have to do is click on the phone. They can go ahead and log that call and save it without ever having to leave the page they were on beforehand. So that's very convenient and keeps your employees focused and on track. Secondly, we've included drop-down menus from each one of the modules across the top of your SugarCRM instance. Go to Accounts, Contacts, Opportunities, and you'll see all the most common actions that you could perform within that module, as well as the last viewed records of that module type. Because of these new features, we have dramatically reduced the number of clicks and page loads that it takes to complete transactions within Sugar. What this means for you is that your employees will be easier to train, will enjoy using the tool more, and will adopt it for their daily tasks. Now we can visit the Campaign Management module. So I'll go ahead and click that tab. As you can see, we have several marketing campaigns currently in progress. We have the Summer Marketing Effort, which is an email campaign. We have our radio advertising campaign. And we have our Winter Newsletter campaign, which is a weekly newsletter that we send out. In this interface, you can see the type, assigned user, and dates associated with each campaign, so you can easily manage all of the projects your marketing team coordinates. Here we can log into the Summer Marketing Effort to get a better idea of what an individual campaign looks like. As you can see, there are four main parts to this email campaign. First is the campaign overview. Second is the target list you wish to market to. Third are the tracker URLs that you may wish to embed in an email that you send to your targets. And lastly is the email itself found in the email marketing section. So let's talk about the overview first. As you can see here, the overview will keep track of all the high-level information you need to track about each campaign. This is very powerful as you can report on any of these values to find trends and other information about all of your marketing campaigns. If you wish to add fields that you don't see here, that's also easily done and can be added to all of the marketing campaigns that you're currently running. Secondly is the target list section. This is perhaps the most powerful piece of all. Our ability to query your customer database and find market segments enhances your ability to target the best and most likely customers. Doesn't that sound interesting to you? The second piece of information, the target list, is perhaps the most powerful of all. SugarCRM's ability to query your customer database to find market segments enhances your own ability to target the best and most likely customers. You simply create a report that filters in all of the customers that you wish to target, and then select that report directly from the target list section. So I'll go ahead and I'll click select. I'll find my report within the list, and I'll select it. Now I've added those members of that list to my marketing campaign. I have now added 89 new members to that list. Doesn't that sound interesting as well? Tell me, Mr. Customer, how do you currently gather information about your market segments? Is it as easy as this? Great, so let's move on to the next section. We can also create URL trackers and email templates that can be reused over and over with as many marketing campaigns as you wish. The tracker URLs are great because it allows you the ability and the knowledge to know once a customer has received your email, first, if they'd opened it, and second, if they've actually clicked on one of the links within your email. Once you create your tracker URLs, you can then embed them in an email to be sent to those customers. So let's take a look at a completed email. I'll go ahead and click the edit button for an already created email. So this is the email header here. And then we'll go ahead and edit the actual email itself. What you can see here is a variety of activities. First of all, we've customized the email so that each email will have the recipient's actual first name with this special configuration, and also we've embedded two different links, the View Our New Summer Product List and the Opt-out link, so that if any of our customers open this email and they click on that link, we as Sugar users, Sugar subscribers, will know that they have done that activity. And I'll go ahead and show you that in just a minute. Finally, you can schedule the campaign to go out at a particular time, and then we'll track the results. So I'll go ahead and save this and move forward. Okay, great. Now that we have sent our campaign out, I'm sure we're all really anxious to get some results. Well, this is an area where Sugar really excels. Now that the users have received the email campaign, Sugar will closely track any new opportunities that are closed as a result of this campaign. Sugar will then compare that to funds spent and give us an ROI on each and every marketing campaign. Why is this important? Well, with this information, you can make better strategic decisions on how to spend your marketing dollars going forward. Isn't that great? Let's take a look at the ROI for this campaign. If I click my ROI button here, I can scroll down and I can see that I've generated $18,000 of revenue on a $23,500 investment. Not great yet, but my campaign is still going on, so I'm hopeful that my revenue will increase over time. And with this interface, I can track that progress on a real-time basis. Isn't this spectacular? Well, how are you currently keeping track of the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns? Wouldn't you want to improve upon that and tie this information directly to your sales numbers? Of course you would. And this is a fantastic way to accomplish that goal at a very reasonable price point. Okay, finally, we can go to the actual user responses from your campaign. By clicking the View Status button, we can see what happened to each and every email you sent out. In this chart, we can see the total number of emails, which ones bounced, who opted out, who read the email, even who clicked on our links. The power here is that first, we can see how effective our campaign was, and second, we can make new lists out of these user groups. For example, I may be very interested in marketing to people who clicked on the link and viewed my products. So I'll go see who those people are. If I click on my tab there, I can go directly to the click-through links and see that 44 people clicked on a link within one of my emails. That's great information. I can see who the recipient was, the recipient email, what activity they did, the date and time they performed that activity, and the actual link that they clicked. Another great thing I can do with this information is I can add all of these people to a particular target list and then remarket further to them with more specified targeted information. For example, I know that they clicked on the product link. So in my next email, I may wish to provide them with a 10% discount, for example, or some other incentive to get them to buy, because I know that they're interested in my company. Isn't this a powerful application of your marketing data? And are you able to do that today? So great. Thank you very much, Mr. Customer, for viewing my demo. I'd just like to wrap up here and get back to your business issues. What we heard was that you were trying to solve these problems with SugarCRM. You wanted to track your campaign ROI, you wanted to track your campaign emails and tie them to individual users, and you wanted to create market segments from your own user data. Would you agree that we demonstrated how Sugar can solve these problems for you today? Is there anything else that is preventing you from moving forward with SugarCRM? If not, I will turn it back over to my sales rep. Thank you very much for watching this demo presentation, and I wish you the best of luck on all your sales. Thank you.